Peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered
Hello. So, Thursday, typical price action. Mickey and lie. So, I do treat Mondays and Thursdays the same. So, where we saw Monday, price bouncing off internal market structure, we can see here again. After price did open after Asia, this grey highlighted section, see price action moving, reading the tape, see a low and a high issued, then the low broken, boom. So it's trying to fall into some sort of sell side liquidity. Where is it? Let's go across. Here. Okay, bro. So this is what I would do. Oopsie daisy. Here is where I'm expecting price to ping off of. Here. Or here. We can see how that lines up with our wicks. Bearing in mind I actually didn't get in. I don't like trading on Thursday. So, anyway. I don't like trading on Thursday, so I did wake up late. In fact, yeah. So, I didn't catch this movement. If price doesn't move off any extreme PD arrays, labels, or what have you, then I don't execute. It's not in my playbook. However, so what I would do is on a Thursday, typically, I'd pick up a new account and I'd trade it. But I'd be trading off these internal price structure that I'm showing you in Asia. But I didn't today. So, I guess for myself or my students, we could start to look at treating Monday and Thursdays the same and moving off the internal structure. Go back to Monday and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Cool. So here's Monday. You can see price comes out of Asia and it takes out some sell side liquidity. Again, it's not going down to our labels, any higher time frame PDRAs or what have you. So what is it? It's going to be previous structure. So if I'm looking at previous structure, I'm going to start drawing some lines to figure out where I can expect price to be moving off from and have a high probability. I've got one here. Cool. So all these levels here, and if you can see how this, let me get this level and this level are very close. This would be like a extremely strong indication, confluence, signal, all these words interchangeable, to see the move. So of course we can see the pattern here, boom, we're in, price is there, gallivanting, right up. So, moving to Thursday. Boom. Coming back to Thursday, we can see price does dip. Boom, into some levels and shoot off. doesn't really show the engulfing candle off the levels like it did on Monday. But regardless, it does respect it, touch it, and move off. You can see that liquidity has been taken out, yeah? Cool. Do you see a nice engulfing candle shooting price up? Would have liked to have got into that one. But again, I don't like the Thursday movement, or sorry, I don't trade the Thursday movement. Most probably will moving forward. I am thinking about it because it just keeps me in the game. Right now, I'm thinking, okay, Thursdays, I'll just do another prop or just find something else to do with regards to like managing my physical assets, with building my schedule more on that way. But I mean, trading is primary, so yeah, I'll treat this as sharpening a knife. I hope you guys are taking notes. I'll treat this as sharpening a knife, and yeah, I will adjust the playbook. Most money. Okay, so you can see here some shorting measurement going on here. So I did go for this short initially, and then I actually closed. So I took that as a little scratch. I think it was like a 0.5 I took off on this one because I just didn't feel like it was moving. I myself, I know I'm not good at catching trades when it's moved off. I'm good at catching or executing off the, I don't even like the term, but off the highest high or the lowest low. That's where my eyes are best trained for the price action. But in trend, I mess up a bit. Price has to retrace a bit more than I'm used to. I think it's just because I never learned to execute when price is already in momentum. Do you know what I mean? So I can do it, but I just think that the stop loss is too wide. I don't like it. And I always keep my stops tight. You know what I'm saying? Going up for the buy. I did go for this buy. So initially, I did go for a buy, but price wasn't moving. It ran up and then shorted. Bang, loss. So it's annoying because after that, price decided to turn around and rally. This is why I don't trade on Thursdays. Whether it's me or GJ, I haven't quite figured it out, but my win rate consistency on Thursdays specifically are not great. Hence why, if you're ever in that situation, guys, cut it out. Just cut out Thursday. You'll increase your win rate just by not participating. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, and price rallied. So it's not even like, again, it's not a case where I was wrong or what have you. It's just, spread took me out. And it's a case of when over time, probability-wise, price doesn't retrace that much when you execute after seeing something being candle patterns or what have you. In this scenario, we keep it. We don't make tweaks. We don't adjust. Yeah. So also, again, I did do this trade, and I don't mind because my accounts are in profit. Because my account's in profit, I'm not really too phased. If I was in drawdown, I would be a bit more phased because prop firms are so strict. I wouldn't want to be losing too much. But I'm all right. See what happens tomorrow and finish the week with some profits. I think I've got one more execution for the week, so we'll see how we get on. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
In the halls where shadows glide, gold peacocks dance, their wings spread wide. A rose in bloom, yet thorns entwine. Dylan Kane walks the edge of time.
Okay, midweek recap.
A whispered trade, a gamble bold, cards are dealt